Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing GoodNotes 6 versus Notability in 2025. So both of these are top note taking application for iPad, but they shine in different ways. So first of all, if we talk about GoodNotes, GoodNotes is perfect if you want structure and customization. It is going to give you folders, subfolders, and beautiful notebook covers to keep the notes organized. Now, writing feels natural with multiple pen styles and pressure sensitivity. You can annotate PDFs, create flashcards, and even search your handwritten notes with OCR. It is great for students, researchers, and anyone that is managing the big volumes of materials. Now, if we talk about Notability, Notability focuses on speed and simplicity. You can start writing and drawing instantly without much setup. Its a killer feature is audio recording, so your notes sync with the recording so that during playback you write appears exactly when it was written. So this makes it perfect for lectures or meetings. The interface is clean with easy highlighting and quick PDF markups, though advanced customization is more limited here. So the question here is which one is right for you. So in my opinion, you can choose GoodNotes 6 if you need deep organization, customization, study tools, or if you work with the textbooks and complex documents. You can choose Notability if you want quick distraction-free note-taking with audio recording. That is perfect for lectures and meetings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.